be a new 4K disc. Let's go ahead and get it open. We're first slice the side. And Jumanji, the next level. Alright. Really good movie. Not quite as good as the first, but entertaining all the same. And so let's go ahead and take a closer look at the front. IMAX enhanced DTS:X HDR. And just so you guys can see the back up close. And hopefully I fixed my issue from previous videos with the 4K camera. So front cover comparison and the rear. So let's go ahead and get this open. I know you guys want to see what the discs look like. All right, so before we get into what the Blu-rays look like, the digital movie is a Sony. So if you're collecting your movies anywhere codes, this will get you 1/5 of the way towards a new movie from them. Of course, I say new movie. They usually have stuff that's a little older, at least like a year old. Here's a map of Jumanji, the fortress. So at least for this movie, the dunes, and use your camera to check that out. All right, so they actually painted both Blu-rays, so Sony's good about that. The 4K disc has those monkeys, forgot what they were called, and then the Blu-ray has the original 4 in it. So, hey, thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe.